Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be making dalgona coffee. It's really simple and really good. All you need is instant coffee. Since I'm making it for myself, I'm gonna need 2. Sugar, your whisking tool, milk, and water. So we're gonna start off by putting in the instant coffee.
This is the thrill divine. Again, this couldn't happen again.
And now you add in a little bit of sugar. Maybe a little bit more. After you've done that, then you need hot water. You can do this with room temperature water, but since I will be hand mixing this, I thought warm water would be easier. After you add in enough water, all there's left to do is just to mix that coffee up. Now, as I said, I am going to be hand mixing the coffee, which, might I add, was a really good workout. As you can see, it becomes fluffier and lighter in color, and when you see that, you know you're almost done. After that intense workout, this is the end result. Now all you need to do is take your cute little glass, pour in some milk. You can do almond milk, oat milk, any kind of milk. I just used regular milk because that's all we had at home. Drizzle in some of that whipped coffee, and there you have it.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine.
Now that you're finished, you can take some pics for the gram and enjoy it. I had to make a second one because I let my mom taste the one I made before and she really liked it, so now I'm making another cup for myself.
I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. There's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me.
So this one may or may not have failed just a little bit, but it was equally as good as the previous one. I really liked making this video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!
I might have caught the June blues.